We have a couple of videos here of UFOs recorded over Aston, Pennsylvania. Found this at NUFORC. I'll leave the link in the description. It happened on August 5th, 2024. It says, small suburb just south of Philadelphia. Shaped fireball, color orange, estimated size unknown, fireball-like streaks on direction change. You can look at them in the video. I didn't see the streaks so much, but I did see these orange orbs moving across the sky, viewed from land. Direction from viewer, origin northeast, trajectory southeast, angle of elevation 50. Now it says closest distance unknown, seem to have a fairly high altitude. Estimated speed, slow, calculated route followed by an abrupt arc down. The one just goes zipping down. Now they say here explanation Chinese lantern, probable. I don't know. Unless you found the Chinese lantern remains on the ground, then I think it's pretty arbitrary just to say that that's a probable explanation. To me, the probable explanation is some kind of orange, reddish orange orb here. Characteristics: or haze around object left the trail. The first four came in pairs, moving at a slow, steady pace across the sky toward the east. Second pair about half a minute behind the first two. Both pairs slowly disappeared after about 2 to 3 minutes. The fifth fireball-looking craft appeared about 5 minutes later from the same origin point in the sky. However, this one was by itself. It started to arc along the same path as the ones that came before it, until suddenly it instantly shot straight down at a much higher rate of speed out of the sky, seemingly toward the earth, and disappeared behind the tree line. This is a very compelling video here. Once again, if somebody is foolish enough to release these Chinese lanterns, which are simply incendiary devices that, while they heat up the little balloon that carries them, also shine quite brightly. I just think about the stupidity of this. People living in a suburban cityscape releasing incendiary devices that they have no control over, just to float up in the sky at random and come down and land wherever they want and cause a fire. If we have people doing that, if we have people that are stupid enough to do that, and we aren't using the full force of the law to stop it, and we've got big problems in this country. Much like the excuse that everything that we see is a balloon, it just happens to be flying at the same altitude as passenger airliners. No one's keeping track of it, by the way, when in fact we know that they do keep track of these other weather balloons, spy balloons, whatever. But the balloons that we see that are actually UFOs, no one's keeping track of those. This is the sort of thing that we expect our government and our law enforcement to do for us, is to stop people from doing dangerous things that endanger the lives of people on airplanes, endanger the lives of people in neighborhoods where these things can start fires at. So if these really are Chinese lanterns, and the authorities really believe that, they need to be doing some heavy-duty investigative work to find out who the morons were that released them, and then to hunt them down and prosecute them to the fullest extent of the law. Myself, I don't think these things are Chinese lanterns. They look to me like some kind of strange orbs. The way this thing kind of darts around, it doesn't seem to me like the winds are like taking it anywhere. And then the one just zips down past the tree line. It's coming down far too fast to be a Chinese lantern, as far as I can tell. I mean, if the lantern was lit, if the little parachute balloon is being heated, which keeps it aloft, why would it be suddenly propelling toward the ground like that, and then just out of sight once it gets past the tree line? I don't know. Strange videos. Take a look, see what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section. Till next time, this is UFO Warning. Over and out.